Hi, hello and welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita and in today's video I'll show you multiple recipes using yellow lentil or moong dal. Now this ingredient is so common in so many households and everybody knows the importance of it. Be it in North India or South India, in a pongal or khichdi, we use moong dal a lot. This is one of the important lentil that is used in whole of India, I would say. Now I would like to share the benefits of this simple yellow lentil. It is not just simple, the list goes on and on. I have limited it to few. At first, it is rich in magnesium, which is good for improving metabolism and also increasing immunity, and it is rich in riboflavin and niacin. These are antioxidants which helps keep the skin good. Now growing babies' skin is very delicate. They need extra care, not just externally, even internally. And these are high in carbohydrates. That's what the growing babies need. Now they are either trying to sit, walk, crawl, many things they are trying to do at this age. So to keep them active and energized, this is needed. It is rich in folate or folic acid, which is good to improve red blood cells in their body, and many other nutrients. If I can go on and on, it is rich in protein as well, it is rich in calcium as well. So it is a complete pack of nutrients which is important for your growing child and even for you. And dal ka pani is what most of the families prefer. Even during 6 months or 8 months, dal ka pani, khichdi, people start offering it. I would recommend khichdi without salt and with less spice, but dal ka pani is too dangerous. In the video going further, I would elaborate on that. Now let's start with the recipes one by one. Our first recipe of the day is Moong Dal Soup, a traditional, tasty, super nutritious recipe this is. Dal ka pani is what most of the houses give to their child at the beginning. Dal ka pani is dangerous because there is only water left and no nutrition. So this is the ideal one if you want to start your baby on solids. I would recommend vegetable or fruits, and post that you give this after a week or two. Keep stirring it on low flame. I have used yellow lentil, just rinsed it and added it here. Along with it, I'm adding turmeric powder, pepper powder. We will stir this and cook until soft. It may take about 10 minutes or more depending on the size of the lentil. You can even pressure cook. Once done, we will transfer it to a blender jar and blend it smooth. This is a very old video and my old camera. Please ignore if the quality of the video is sad. But the recipe isn't. It's super delicious, super tasty, and the number one you can offer. Next one is bottle gourd and moong soup. Now the ingredients required for this soup are these. At first, in a pan, I am adding butter, shallots, these are onions which are small in size, garlic and ginger, bottle gourd. We will fry it for a while and then add yellow lentil or moong dal. We'll give all of this a quick stir. I'm now adding water, about 1 cup, cumin powder, pressure cook for a whistle or two until soft and cooked. About 20 minutes it may take if you cook in a pan. Adding it to a blender, and now these are some soaked almonds. These are optional, but if you add, well and good. Only for babies above 8 months. Grind it to a fine puree. Keep it thick if you are offering it for a baby above below a year. Above a year, you can make it as required as of your consistency. This bottle gourd soup is ready. The third recipe is Dahlia Khichdi with Moong Dal. This can be given to babies after 8 months. These are the ingredients which are required to make this soup. In a pressure cooker, I am adding ghee, vegetables of your choice. You can make it with dalia or you can make it with rice or any millet of your choice. Also you can replace this. Cumin, pepper and turmeric I am adding here. Add salt for babies above a year, and then I am adding in water. Frying it in ghee is very important step because it will enhance the flavor. It will give a nutty flavor to this dalia, and that's why this dalia would turn out very tasty. Even the whole family can have this as a breakfast. So after pressure cooking, this is ready to be served. Fourth recipe is instant dates moong dal halwa. A delicious one made at home. I mean, very simple ingredients are required. It takes some time to cook, but the effort is minimal. Bring water to a boil. I am adding raisins. I am adding dates. The advantage of this recipe is the natural sweeteners are used here, dates and raisins. We will boil it, make a smooth paste of it by blending it in a jar. This is the sweetener we are going to use in the halwa today. I am using milk and some strands of saffron I am adding in here. We'll soak it for about 15 minutes. And now in a pan we will roast moong dal until the color changes. Once roasted, keep it aside and grind it to a coarse powder. This can also be made using soaked moong dal. If you can soak it prior, it will take minimal time. In a pan, I am adding ghee and frying all the nuts, cashew, pista and almonds. Fry it for about 2 minutes and take it aside for using it in halwa later. Powdered moong dal with ghee, we will keep stirring it, and it may take 5 to 8 minutes to come to this consistency. Then we will add milk. We will mix it well. I am adding some more milk here to bring it to a good consistency, and then I am adding dates puree here and soaked saffron. We will mix it well. Keep stirring until it thickens of this consistency. For older children above 18 months who can chew nuts, you can add it and serve it warm or cold. This is our instant moong dal halwa. If you like this recipe, there are multiple combinations like this on our channel. Simple ones which can be made in few minutes, and we understand how important the time and how precious it is for working parents. So anybody can try recipes. You don't have to buy packaged, chemical filled, chemical laden products for your child. You can maybe the purees ideas which I gave, you can store it and thaw it and offer it to your child. It is much healthier. There is no harm in freezing food and offering to your child. Okay, you just need to ensure the hygiene factor of it when you freeze food. So using apple, there are multiple recipes, 10 plus recipes on our blog, and not just by grating it, by using it in porridge or puree form. You can make it pancake. You can make a lot of recipes using apple, and this video and this blog will elaborate on it. Spinach is another super food that most Indians use in their baby food, and also not just in soup or puree. There are many recipes. Even there is one pancake using spinach. So do check this combination. And our number one staple food, rice, using it, again I have made a lot of recipes. Do check that. Not just mashing and offering it to your child. There are multiple ways you can make it tastier. So that's the whole intention. You need to offer all food before an year, and you need to offer all spices, all vegetables, fruits, dry fruits as well before a year, so that they stay strong, they adapt to it, because the growth is high in the first year and their immunity is building, their digestive system is building, organs are building faster than ever, which would even ever happen once they grow out of an age. Now this is important, so that's why all the recipes, these may be like some simple recipes on this channel. Why do you need a video? You can just tell it. But please ask new parents how scary things become when you have a child to take care, to bathe, and then to feed. And I mean, every step is a learning. Now, I mean, our channel, most of them like it, and that's why I have at least 1 lakh plus subscribers. Most of them love it. But I need to tell you, I have only 5% subscribers. Most of them watch our video. There are videos which have crossed 1 million views, but the subscription is too less. Please ensure you click on that subscribe button, and do check our online food store. Our products by the same name, Tots and Moms, chemical free, organic, certified foods, are available on Amazon, First Cry, everywhere. And I've been doing this for over 6 years. This is a small scale setup, and we are a team of 20 plus women, and everyone ensures hygiene and care, and that is why a certification is in place. And over 95% plus positive reviews we have on our products everywhere. You do check that. Even on Google reviews, we have very nice sweet words written by parents. And if I am able to be in the market for 6 long years, even with that huge competition, with companies being sponsored, I mean company being funded by angel co-companies, I am able to survive with my team's support and with your love only. So do check our cereal mixes, porridge mixes, instant mixes, pancake, cookies which are made out of millets and jaggery only. Recently FitTuber made a video of 15 best the best cookies in India. Ours was the first one there. Proud, super proud. Me and my team are super proud. So yeah, do check that and consider subscribing. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.